It's time for some construction updates from Disneyland Paris in collaboration with DLP Works. So let's get started. Adventure Bay progresses. Exciting developments continue at Adventure Bay as the area steadily takes shape. The scaffolding has now been removed from the East Pavilion, revealing the structure beneath. While the tower remains covered as crews prepare for the upcoming dome installation, it's clear that significant progress is being made. Meanwhile, sky tracers have been installed on all lighting poles around the lake. These devices will be used in future testing phases and are positioned to create a fully immersive lighting experience as part of the future nighttime spectacular. Along the walkways surrounding Adventure Bay Lake, handrails are currently being installed, an encouraging sign that guest access infrastructure is moving forward. Another major milestone, the southern shelter is now fully completed, with all scaffolding removed. This gives a clear view of the final theme design and how it will integrate into the overall area. Finally, the Lion King area is still in the process of being cleared of temporarily stored soil. World of Frozen nears completion. The World of Frozen at Disneyland Paris is quickly approaching its final form, with major visual milestones now in place. Most of the scaffolding has been removed from the iconic North Mountain, revealing the completed rockwork theming on this towering structure. The left side of the mountain now gleams with icy blue paint, resembling frost and signaling the future location of Elsa's castle, which is set to be installed this summer, an update first shared on April 12th. As the weather warms up, protective tarps have been lifted from surrounding buildings, unveiling the full lighthouse structure situated just in front of Arendelle Castle. This reveal offers a clearer picture of the land's layout and visual storytelling. On the western edge of the lake, construction is underway on new kiosks. While the wall painting is already finished, recent close-up views highlight intricate rooftop ornamentation, including sculpted ridge details that align with the area's Nordic-inspired architecture. Additionally, the latest round of photos confirms the installation of sky tracers throughout the area. These lighting elements are set to play a key role in the upcoming Disneyland Paris nighttime spectacular, further enhancing the immersive atmosphere of World of Frozen. Casey's Corner Terrace. Progressing at its own pace. One of the most anticipated construction projects at Disneyland Paris is moving steadily forward. The Casey's Corner Terrace structure, long hidden behind scaffolding, has now been fully unveiled, offering guests their first real look at the new addition. With the main framework complete, the project has entered a more detailed phase. Crews are now focused on the finer elements, running electrical wiring, installing light fixtures, applying the final coats of paint over the initial primer, and adding decorative touches like post caps. The elegant glass canopy, a standout feature of the design, still requires its final adjustments. Once completed, this will signal the start of the final stretch of construction, bringing Casey's Corner one step closer to welcoming guests to its refreshed terrace. Frozen Land reaches its final chapter. The long-awaited World of Frozen at Disneyland Paris is fast approaching completion, as revealed in a recent aerial flyover showcasing major visual updates across the site. The village of Arendelle is nearly finished, with detailed paving, charming facades, and carefully placed themed vegetation bringing the land to life. The Snedroningen sailing ship is now docked beside another vessel, enhancing the coastal charm of the village. Street furnishings such as lampposts, benches, and fences are being progressively installed throughout the area, further grounding the immersive atmosphere. While most scaffolding has been removed, a few access structures remain behind the North Mountain. Notably, the iconic Ice Palace has yet to be installed, but work on this final centerpiece is expected to begin soon, signaling the final major step before completion. In the meantime, the Arendelle Lighthouse is fully finished and offers a striking addition to the lakeside view. Around Adventure Bay Lake, all walkways have been paved, and final detailing is in progress. Themed lampposts and barriers are now being added, tailored to the visual identity of each surrounding land. Distinct landscaping helps set the tone across the expansion. Nordic pine trees near Frozen, golden-hued trees near the Lion King area mimicking the savannah, and large temperate forest trees near Cars Road Trip. At the center of the new lake, floating circular test rigs have appeared, evidence of ongoing infrastructure tests for a future nighttime spectacular. Surrounding construction continues at pace. The West Pavilion and its nearby features are now fully completed. Other key developments across the expansion include Regal View Restaurant and Lounge, approaching completion with painters working on exterior finishes. A new white tarp has been added at the lounge level to aid in thematic work, while rooftop dome elements are still pending. East Pavilion. Final coats of art. Nouveau-style paint are being applied, complete with detailed frescoes. Lion King Land. Groundwork has intensified since the building permit was filed. Major construction is expected to begin between September and October. Adventure Way. New trees line the path, while the site for the upcoming Up attraction has been cleared following permit approval. Landscaping work is actively progressing. Tangled Spin. Development continues with scaffolding surrounding the central rooftop dome. Central Roundabout. Now landscaped and ready for further planting. During the aerial survey, a live show was underway at the Theater of the Stars. Recently added vegetation helps minimize visual disruptions from the expansion, suggesting the theater could remain a key entertainment venue for the foreseeable future. With each new detail falling into place, Disneyland Paris edges closer to unveiling one of its most ambitious expansions yet. And that wraps up this update from Disneyland Paris. A big thanks to DLP Works for teaming up with us to bring you the latest on all the construction progress happening around the resort. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or thoughts on the changes? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon with more from the parks.